Hey everybody, it's Eddie here from Tully Nurseries, and I just wanted to show you a brief snapshot of what we've got available this week. On this cube here we have our top 10 plant picks of the week, and as you can see here we have a lovely colour range in the Heucherius Delta Dawn. You can see the contrast against the grasses that we have available. This little one here is called Forever Purple. That's an absolutely fabulous colour. And you can see also that we have Elliptica variegata and Joan Mac, also a great contrast to have on your benches. And we check out the list actually for the full range of grasses we have available, from ponytails to Cairexes. And then we also have some of our cordylines. This is Charlie Boy here, and it's lovely vibrant colours on it. It's great for pots and stuff. And on this bench over here we also have some more plants that are available this week. As you can see, there's a full range of Heucherius here, right down the colour spectrum. We've got the Cairexes here, and we also have Stuka Glauca here, and a few more Hebes, and the Parahebe is just in flower here as well at the moment. So as you can see, this plant here is a lovely plant. So thanks for watching. Check out the list for the rest of our plants. Thank you.